Yes! Got one. Got him. Freaking 20-incher. Let's go, baby. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Callison Fishing. I'm already winded and already in the weeds. Fishing a Tuesday night derby again for Tri-Cities League for Topwater Series. Currently working my first spot. We just took off. It's gonna take me a while. 12 guys fishing. Well, 11 guys and a girl fishing. Hoping we can catch some fish tonight. Hopefully get a limit. That's probably the goal this evening, is to actually get a limit. Hopefully they're still biting the same stuff I threw pre-fishing, which you guys saw in the last video, which will be linked. The last video will be linked at the end of this video for you guys to click on and go watch. So you guys will be on the the GoPro camera behind me. Are you kidding me right now? Something on my pedal drive just broke. Great, I'll have to fix that. I'll turn the camera on when I get to my spot or if I'm just about there. So stay tuned. Alright, well, we're not there quite yet. I ain't wasting any more time. I mean, I've already wasted 20 minutes. Starting out with drop shot. And we've got quite a few options set and ready to go. Just hoping they'll bite. We got one. Get in the net. There we go. There we go, number one. Not a pike. go. Thought that was a pike. Yeah, it wasn't. Well, another one. Here you guys can see me put the fish back in the net that's in the water. I did that for a few seconds just because I was trying to make sure that the photo of the fish got entered into the app properly before letting it go. There he goes. Is that another rock bass? Nope, it's a bass bass. Cool. Number 4. Got to my area that was really good in pre-fishing, especially with the drop shot with all these like kind of deeper and taller weeds, and there was nothing. Really struggled in this area, so kept fishing around until I was able to find some fish, which ended up being going back down that row of docks, kind of working my way back to where you guys saw me start in the video. There we go. After that fish catch, I was on my phone quite a bit on the Topwater app because my 11 3/4 fish got DQ'd. Well, it's because of bad hand placement on the fish when I took the picture. So I ended up being able to resubmit a better picture that I had taken because I noticed that my hand was covering the fish, so I must have just submitted the wrong one. Which that fish ended up getting cleared, but then this 13.5 I also had issues with after it got submitted, it got DQ'd as well, and I think it was because one of the pictures was blurry, so I uploaded a better picture. So was just dealing with some technical issues and stuff like that after that fish catch, and just struggled finding more fish after that. Slight upgrade. After releasing that fish, I continued my way back to the launch, fishing as I went, and tried to find more bites, but nothing would really come. So continue to work and try and find something until it was time for lines out. Well guys, that's gonna do it. We ran out of time to try and upgrade. Now we have to make a long trek back in. We were consistent with the size of fish, which I guess is either a good thing or a bad thing. Good thing is that they were consistent, you know, about 13-ish. But we need bigger ones. Last I checked, we were sitting 5th overall with 4 fish. I'm going to guess we either stayed there or went down. So, got a long trek back to the ramp. Alright guys, I'm going to try and keep this conclusion of the video short, short as possible anyway. So here's the results. I took 7th out of 12 anglers. My total inches I believe was 67.25, which that is actually a mistake. My real total was 66 inches even, which is what you guys saw earlier in the video. I somehow double submitted a fish, which was an accident. The 13.5 got DQ'd originally, and I had to resubmit it, and somehow it got counted twice. Thankfully, it's not big enough to lose a spot or gain a spot, which was the good part, but still a mistake on my end, and I am sorry for that. Yeah, I had lots of fun catching those fish. Wish we could have done better, but I don't know where my bigs went. Definitely caught bigger fish during pre-fishing, which if you guys saw my pre-fishing video, you guys saw that the drop shot was the only thing working that I found, and they were not really up near docks. I mean, they kind of were near docks, but not really. They were sitting in deeper weeds. Well, this time around, they were under or near docks, and the Wacky Rig was what was working. My thoughts behind that is because it was so dang hot that day and sunny that they just pushed up under docks. to try and get into some shade. We completed my goal of getting a limit this time. We did better. Hopefully we can keep climbing every single tournament and do better the rest of the season. Fixed my kayak with the pedal. The thing came loose, and I'm glad it didn't fall through the hole in my kayak, which it was sitting next to in the front of my kayak. Or else I would have had to buy new screw and new washer and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Really appreciate you all watching. Next video will more than likely be another tournament video, but it's gonna be a full tournament day, fishing the Kalamazoo River with my dad. If you guys remember the Kalamazoo River video from last fall, me and my dad are planning on going probably back to the same spot because there was good fish there, and now we kind of have experience there. We know how to fish it. So until next time, guys, stay safe out there, get outside, go fishing. Please like the video if you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel if you guys want more content. Lots more content coming. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.